Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Samiksha and today I am going to be doing an unboxing as well as reviewing of my recent purchase. So I bought a ring light and so today I'll be reviewing it because before buying I did a lot of research, so I know what are specifications it has, and I am going to be showing you today all. So I opened the covers because it's Corona time and I had to sanitize those. So we'll start with the ring light first. So the ring light, this one. So basically you have a holder, and this is the model number DR12C. I'll link it in the description box. I bought it from Amazon, and so basically this has a mobile holder. You cannot do it for a DSLR, or probably you can, but it was written specifically but for a mobile holder. So yes, so you have a knob here. I'll show it in the stand how you can fix it. So it comes with a USB cord. It's already connected. You need to connect it either to your laptop or your mobile phone, to whichever device you're recording with. And after connecting, so you have four buttons in this. I'll show all four of it. Firstly, this is the ring light. So here you have a hook. If you want, you can place it on a nail and record it, or you can just place it on the stand. And this you can record, this holder, it is for both sides, so you can either record it vertically or horizontally, however you want. This wire is quite moldable, so that's not a problem. And yes, that's about the ring light. I'll show you the different lights in a while, but right now I'll show you the stand. So this is a set along with the stand as well as the ring light. So this is the stand. This is how you're gonna receive it. So as you can see, we have four knobs. So each knob, when you open it, you'll get a particular level of height. So I'll show you the first one, open, and this level, right? And to stop it, to hold it over here, you need to open this. So basically you're locking it there. Open and then lock it. So like that. So total, it is a 5 feet long. Suppose I'll just show you this one, because I've locked it, will not come down. So here I want it here, then I'm going to lock it, right? This I'm going to lock it here, so it stays. So according to your height you can adjust it. And coming to the down part, this, what you have to do is, loosen it a little bit and push it down like this. It will open. So you can catch one side and just pull it down. Okay, I'm catching here like this. Pull it down. You can take it entirely down. This is just to fix it over there. I'll loosen it a little bit so it will come easily. Okay, see. Okay, full I can keep it down, or full I can keep it up. So this is how much I needed, so I'm gonna tighten it here. That's it. I've locked it to my angle, how much of I need. Now I am going to show you how to fix the ring light to the stand. So this, like this, you'll receive it like this, and you need to place this inside this. Push it inside, so basically. And now you have a screw which you have to fix it, which you'll get it in that only. So this is the screw. You have to fix it over here. Okay, done. That's it, done. Now, whichever knobs you have above, it is for the ring light holder. You can move it 360 degrees or 180 degrees as you like it. Now I will show you the light, how much ever it is. I have fixed the ring light down. So this is the USB cord. I am plugging it into my laptop right now to show you. Okay. So whenever you plug it in to your device, you can keep it to your charger or mobile phone or a laptop, anything. So a light will be on here. So it means that you can use it now. So you need to click on button. So you have, so basically in ring light you have, in this you have three buttons. First one is plus, then you have a reverse sort of symbol, and power on button, and minus. So plus is brightness, to increase the brightness. Next one is to change the modes of the ring light. So you have three modes in this ring light. And next is power on and off button, it's the same button. And next one is to decrease the brightness. So firstly I'm going to on the power. So this is one mode, another mode. This is the first mode actually. So this is like very bright and on to cool undertone. So when you're probably shooting in the night, it's very dark, right? So if you use, it's better for that. And the second mode, this little bit warm tone, and this is completely warm. It's like orange shade if you see directly. So now, as I told, increase and decrease button. This is full right now, so I'll shoot by decreasing. Decrease, decrease. So this is the least. Increase. Okay, and again another mode. First mode, second, middle mode, third, bomber mode, and off. So these are the three modes which the ring light has. And coming to the phone holder, mobile phone holder, I'll show you that. So because I want it here, if you want anywhere else you can place it there. Okay, I want it this way. Okay, so here, whichever this holder you can see, if you directly push it, it will not come. Here you need to move it. So you need to pull this like this. So, and fix your mobile here. It will open easily, that's not a problem. So you need to place it here. And because only one side is coming out, the grip is perfectly fine. So that's about the ring light. To summarize, it has three modes. It is 5 feet. It has 5 feet long stand, and so height wise no problem. Coming to the phone, you have also the holder has both vertical and horizontal recording ways. So the folder is moldable, so that's not a problem as well. That's about it, and I'll click pictures with this and place all the three pictures so that you can understand the difference of each mode of the ring light. I can say the ring light is a pretty good purchase. I bought it for 1600 in Amazon, and you can also order it. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more such content, and I'll meet you guys soon. Bye bye.